Right, yes. Before we go far, I would like to introduce you this protective hairstyle, and it's very, very nice. It is called Shantre. So, let's first see the ingredients that we always use and the hair extensions that we use for this kind of a hairstyle. So, before we start everything, let's first take a look at the hair extension. This is how it looks. It is the Afro Kinky from the Darling Company. Sorry, you can see how it looks, and it is in all colors. So I'm just going to be dropping the link in the description so that you can go and check it out. So this is how it comes, but you just have to split it in this way. But whenever you split it, it becomes very, very big, just like this. You may look at it and think maybe it is small, but you just have to do it. So when you're done with splitting, yes, I make sure that I cut it into two portions, you understand, just like this. And this is the way I feel like then we start doing the plating. So let's see how we all started. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I would like to welcome everyone who is watching, wherever you are. Please feel free always to click on that red button and ring the bell, and maybe because we always upload videos every week, and this is the channel where you can always find different types of hairstyles. So I'll always want you to click on that red button so that we can listen and learn. And another thing is that please, if you watch the video, always make sure that you leave me a like. Yes, it is very, very good. And you can always comment where you're watching the video from. You understand? Yes, tell me where you're watching from, and you can just go right in the comment section. And this side and this in this country, wow, I always love that. And you leave a like, and possible you can even share the video. So now let's continue and see how this is going to work for us. And first and foremost, what we need to do is do these cornrows, but sometimes the cornrows are tricky, and this is what I would need to explain to you. Yeah, we always have to make sure that our cornrows are very straight, very, very straight, like the way you can see. The problem is sometimes if any mistakes that you do while doing these cornrows, yeah, it also causes some problems when it reaches like after when like you're getting done, you'll find there sorry, let's say that the one corner is somehow not straight, so it will make others like those last ones, they can always combine, like they can combine themselves together if you're not careful. So you just have to make sure that your lines are very, very straight from the beginning. And another thing is we are doing the inward knotless, also inward cornrow. You can see how it is from the inside. We don't do these other cornrows like the updos, you understand, because those ones, we believe, I not even believe, according to my experience, the crochet always comes out very fast than this cornrow. Yes, if you want to try it out, just try with this and do these cornrows, and then you can do even the other ones. Trust me, the other ones will always come out very fast than this one. So I always advise most of my students to learn how to do this cornrow, because it is very, very nice and perfect for them, yes, if they will need to learn. So let's continue and see how it is going to work. But another thing that you need to understand is, I'm talking to those ones who do crochet a lot. Yes, and the style is always who are doing this crochet. We are most of the times we always get this comment of like the crochet breaks hair, or just that painful sometimes, like maybe when we are crocheting. Yes, this is my advice that I will need to give you guys. They complain about the crochet comes out soon, the crochet breaks hair. For the solution of it coming out soon is doing this cornrow. Just do this and keep quiet. You will see everything is very, very okay. Then about the breaking of the hair, mostly like the hairline in front, the mistake that most stylists always do is that they do wrong cornrows on wrong cornrows or wrong crochet. The crochet might be right, but the wrong cornrow for the right crochet. That's what maybe I would say. Yes, why am I saying this? You'd find like you have, let's say like the Senegalese trays, like those jumbo twists, that the big twists, and then you find someone is doing like these, exactly these cornrows, like small cornrows, or when you're going to crochet something that is big, you understand? So it means this thing is going to be hard for you, like to pass through the cornrows, and now it is going to bring tension, and that will lead to the breaking of the hair. So please, I would always want to advise, like before you do your cornrows, first know the type of a crochet that you're going to add on someone, in that these things matches. Yes, the cornrows is going to have to match with the crochet that you're going to add, the crochet extension that you're going to add on. So please, this is the most important thing that you guys always do, and leads to the breaking of the hair, and maybe even the crochet to come out soon. And if you do that, what I'm telling you right now, always to choose the cornrow that is best for that crochet. Yes, don't do small cornrows on a big crochet. And if the crochet is small, like those micro springs, the crochet, please, even the cornrows are going to be small or medium, you understand? But you cannot do big cornrows on those small twists. So I think you understand what I'm trying to say. So those things always makes the crochet to look good and to last longer, then to stay protective, like it doesn't break someone's hairline. So those are the things that I wanted to share with you. And then when it comes to this hairstyle, what you need to do, you just have to pack it very, very well. You have to pack it very, very well. And yes, packing it very well, in that if this person like maybe is sleeping, the shape doesn't change. You know that sometimes we do hairstyles, and when we sleep, waking up, you find like maybe this side is small, the other one is big, something like that. So when you pack it well and you wake up in the morning, you just pass through your hands, and then the shape will be back already. Yes, and another thing, I would like to welcome you to come and join us for our School of Beauty. Yes, come and join us so that we can do this together, guys. Come and join us, those ones who want to learn. And I'm also very, very proud that I'm going to be one of your instructors. So you can always come and join us. We do this together. Yes, just come and join us. We are located in Intinda, Minister's Village, at Hair by Clippers. Yes, Hair by Clippers in Intinda. That is Clippers with Z. So you can always come and join us so that we learn together. You know what I'm saying? Yes, come and join us and we learn together. For those ones who would need to learn, yes, at Clippers House, and both we have even online courses. You can also go right in the description. Yes, the link is in there so that you can see what to do. You can see how this hair looks. Yes, those ones who have long hair, long hair, and you need to achieve this short hair. You know, sometimes it is very difficult that you will need to twist, and maybe you have to fold your hair back. But this one is just enough. You do it and make sure and get your short twists like this. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hair by Clippers with Z. And yes, I told you already have the School of Beauty. Come and join us so that we can do all these things together. And I'm one of your instructor, remember. So we will have to learn both here at Clippers house and online. Bye bye. See you in my other next video. See how this looks like.
A little loving, oh I gotta call like a video, Shanane. Hey, you need some little pampering. No muko go bumaniche kukora. Kitake wa crochet master, ya kuku kamo viri kati master. Makeup uono genius, akukola kono nyuma. Jangu, wa crochet master. Come on. Jangu.